Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying your hardware and getting tools in place. Enable Intel VTX or AMD V in BIOS because the hypervisor needs CPU virtualization. Next, install a hypervisor, choose Hyper-V for integration or VirtualBox/VMware for compatibility. Once done, download the OS ISO you plan to run and create a VM with at least 20 GB disk and 2+ CPU cores. Make sure to allocate RAM conservatively. You can increase it later if performance lags. Once the VM shell exists, configure the virtual hardware. Assign 2+ CPUs, a sensible RAM amount, and choose NAT or bridged networking depending on whether you need external access. Attach the ISO as a virtual CD and enable UEFI if the OS needs it. Start the VM and step through the installer exactly as you would on physical hardware. Partition the virtual disk, set time zone and user credentials, and install guest tools or drivers to enable clipboard, shared folders, and better graphics. This improves performance and integration. You finish by installing guest editions or VMware tools for seamless mouse, display, and folder sharing, then tweak VM settings for persistent performance. Once done, take a snapshot or export the VM so you can revert before major changes. If something goes wrong, first confirm virtualization is enabled in BIOS, verify the ISO checksum so the installer isn't corrupted, and review VM settings like allocated RAM, disk type, and firmware mode. Often a quick toggle of UEFI versus BIOS or switching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.